Hello students, welcome to our geography class. From last video we starting the lesson number 7 population. The name of our lesson number 7 is population. In last video we completed some points. Find out geographical explanation, can you tell, and geographical explanation of population growth. Then we completed also some points, try this distribution of population. Here let us start factors affecting population distribution. Our next point is factor affecting population distribution. Here some factors: physical factors, economic factors, political factors and social factors. In these factors, first physical factors. Which are these physical factors? Location, relief, climate, soil and mineral resources. Factors affecting population distribution. Here some physical factors. Which are these? Location. What is the location of that population? Relief, climate. What is the climate of that region? Soil. How types of soil that region? Mineral resources. Then next point is economic factors. Economic factor also affecting on the population distribution. Economic factor is main factor affecting on population distribution. Here economic factor is agriculture. What is the type of agriculture? Industries. How many industries in that region? Urbanization. Transport. What is the best profit of transportation? Markets. How type of market in that region? These are the economic factors affecting population distribution. Then next, political factors. Political factors also affecting on population of distribution. Which are the political factors? First is wars, political instability, government policies. Which are the government policies affecting population distribution? Depend on political factors. Then last point is social factor. Social factor also affecting on population distribution. Which are social factors? First is race, religion, language, custom and tradition. These are the social factors which affecting on the population distribution. Yes, student, can more students be accommodated in the square? Here figure 7.2. You see the figure 7.2, students carrying out the activity. When the answer to the above questions are negative, then ask all students to write their observation about the experiment and initiate the discussion of population density in class. Here, geographical explanation, density of population. Here the formula, density of population is equal to population of a region, area of a region. Here student, the ratio of the population of country to its area is population density. The ratio of the population of a country to its area is population density. While discussing population distribution, density of population is also considered. The density is calculated as per the formula given below. What is the formula of density of population? Here the formula of density population is density of population is equal to population of region. Population of region divided by area of a region is the formula of density of population. Here table about the census 2011. Complete the table. You see student, here table, series number, state, population, census about 2011, area square kilometer, and then last density. Here some states, then first Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Manipur and Goa. Population for about census 2011 square kilometer, then last point is density. From the area of region and its population, one can calculate how many people live in the square kilometer. Density of population is not the same everywhere. Here student, density of population is different all region. In some region the area is small but population is large. Here student, you see the population of Uttar Pradesh and the area square kilometer of Uttar Pradesh is different than the Maharashtra. The population of Maharashtra then different between the square kilometer. And it is Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Manipur and Goa. Kerala, in other region the area large but population is small. In other region area is large but population is small. Therefore the density of population is low. For example, Rajasthan. Here student, you see the 4 point Rajasthan. Even though area wise Rajasthan is a large state, but population is less. You know student, Rajasthan is a large state but their population is very less. Which geographical factor may be responsible for this?